Hopefully. I hope. All I can say is I hope. Oh, she got her shoes on. God bless her.
In a quarter mile, turn left on
Okay,
Old Government Road.
pickup.
Turn left on Old Government Road, then pick up.
Righty. Okay, what we got here? We got 89204. Hey, how you doing?
That's awesome.
Oh, thanks a lot.
Is that a GoPro?
No, it's a cycle cam.
Okay.
So I just kind of mounted up because better than probably riding around with the GoPro trying to turn it on and turn it off with the battery and stuff.
Is it waterproof?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the name?
It's Cyclic, Cylic or something like that.